Their original was one of their most well-received mouse releases of all time. Today, we get our hands on the ROCCAT Burst Pro Air. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, and there's just three things inside the eggshell packaging: the Burst Pro Air mouse, PhantomFlex USB-C charging cable, and a USB dongle. The Burst Pro Air comes in this translucent honeycomb textured coating, which not only helps with grip, but allows LED lighting to shine through. Your main mouse buttons are Titan Optical Switches that are not only fast and responsive, but they give that satisfying mechanical click after each tap. On top, there's a scroll wheel and DPI select button, which can quickly change between different mouse sensitivity presets. Perfect for switching between scope and non-scope mode in first-person shooters. On the side here, these two buttons default to back and forward on your browser, but they can be customized to any action or hotkey that you like. Underneath, they've included these heat-treated pure PTFE glides, and they really make your mouse movement super smooth, even without a mouse pad. There's also this lighting profile button that switches the different color profiles in the 4 separate LED lighting zones. Now, we mentioned earlier the DPI button up top. Pressing it switches between the various mouse sensitivities. And this sensor, it's capable of up to 19,000 DPI, one of the highest ratings on the market. Up front is a heat-treated USB-C port for charging, meaning you're able to keep playing while charging if the batteries are low. You should get 100 hours out of a full battery charge, but just 10 minutes on fast charge will get you around 5 hours of play. The ROCCAT Burst Pro Air has 2 different wireless connectivity modes. You can connect via Bluetooth or use the supplied dongle to connect via 2.4 GHz wireless. If you do choose the Bluetooth method, you can store the dongle away here at the base of the mouse for later. There's an app for that. Available on either PC or mobile, the ROCCAT Swarm app allows you to customize and configure the Burst Air Pro mouse. Everything from DPI levels, button assignment, profile manager, and loads more. So, what do we like about the ROCCAT Burst Pro Air gaming mouse? For starters, it's lightweight, comfortable, and the lighting effects while gaming adds a nice aesthetic to the room. Having a laggy mouse is the last thing you're ever going to be concerned with this mouse. At 19,000 DPI, the responsiveness of this mouse is probably more than anyone's going to ever need. So, what don't we like? Battery level via the Swarm app isn't super reliable and can easily underestimate or overestimate the charge by around 10 to 20%. We also didn't get the full 100 hours usage out of a single charge, and that's with using the RGB lighting pretty sparingly. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the ROCCAT Burst Pro Air gaming mouse? Brilliant looking and smooth moving. With solid battery life, the ROCCAT Burst Pro Air mouse is a top performer. We're giving it an 8 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $99.99, or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.